Moonlight cracks, the night ignites, heartbeat thunders, hunger bites. Can you feel the wild inside? When darkness calls, will you hide? Fangs beneath the silver glow, secrets leaking, letting go. Think you know the beast I am, but there's more beneath the skin and damp. Shadows twist into my eyes, truth dissolves where daylight dies. I'm stitched from scars and roaring seams, caught between my howling dream. Shoot and tie, but claws still pulse. Peace seems distant, my curse convulsed. Trust slips off like molten glass. Can a wolf outrun her past? Take me, break me, set me free. Eyes of fire still learn to bleed. I see the wild you can't deny, but I'm more than this beast inside. Hold me, know me, if it burns. Love's the lesson every monster learns. Don't fear the howl, just walk right through. I'm not the wolf you thought you knew. Claws inside, I hold my breath. Instincts whisper, fear, fetch. Your senses spark, your touch the flame. One heartbeat close to losing game. Can I taste love without the kill? Can I be still with something real? My heart's a wood where shadows play. Still I wander, finding my way. Step closer, sense the fall. Moonlight guides me through it all. Should I fight or let it free? What if monster's all I'll ever be? Take me, shake me, strip me down. Beasts don't need to wear a crown. I see the wild, I live it too, but I bleed the same.